Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is kale chips. We're going to start with organic kale. Today I'm using red and green just because I like them and they're easy to find. Remove the stem from the leaves. You don't need any tools. Just grab the end and pull. Ta-da! You've got it. Now let's get the rest of this bowl done. Quick and easy. To begin creating your crispy kale chips, you need to wash your kale, dry it thoroughly, gently remove any excess water, otherwise you'll end up with a soggy chip. Each recipe will be using approximately 8 cups of bite-sized kale. Today's first recipe is the cheesy kale chip. 5 simple ingredients. We're going to start with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, garlic powder, and the cheese is nutritional yeast. I'm going to add some salt to mine. I'll gently work all the ingredients into the kale until it's well coated. Using a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper, put a single layer of your kale. Place the baking sheet into a preheated 325-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Watch them close because they can burn. Keep an eye on these chips because they won't last more than a day. Okay, now we're on to our second recipe, spicy kale chips. 3 simple ingredients. Once again, start with your olive oil. Now to give it that spice, we're going to have some cayenne pepper. Use whatever you can handle, not too much. I actually used too much. It was pretty hot. Now instead of using salt, I'm using a salt-free alternative. Again, gently cover all the leaves with your ingredients. Arrange, cook, and clean up. You're done. Enjoy these versatile kale chips any time of day. Share them with your vegan dogs, but please not the spicy ones. Go to Vegan Gluten-Free Life for the full recipe and so much more. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share, and comment, and let me know how you made it your own. See you soon. Bye.